Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at MarketPrime. Now this is a brand new cloud-based web application and it's gonna allow you guys to create your own marketplace like Fiverr, freelancer.com or Upwork.com. It's so powerful guys because you'll be able to sell your services with no restrictions. You can also invite other freelancers to sell their service into your own marketplace, and you have in total control guys because you have your own admin dashboard. You can customize everything guys, and the best part about this is that you don't need to purchase domain, you don't need to purchase hosting, but if you wanted to use your own custom domain, then you can also do that. All right, and just like I said, you can sell unlimited services, and here are the features that you can do with this application guys. So it's so powerful. One-click freelance and local marketplace builder, gig and bid-based marketplace, so you can sell digital products or other people sell digital products into your marketplace. Buy and sell unlimited services. You can use your own logo and branding. You can create unlimited categories, create unlimited subcategories, multi-payment gateways, SMS and email integrations, add to calendar, your own admin panel, unlimited earnings and commercial license is included as well, and the server and all up those files that is being uploaded is included as well in the server. All right, it's so powerful guys. All right, now, before I'm going to show you the demo of this, guys, how this works, how you can easily create your own freelance marketplace without, any coding skills, right? Let me show you first my bonuses when you guys pick this app through my link down in the description of this video. That way you can have an additional value, all right? My bonus number one, I'm going to give you access, guys, to Scribble. Now, Scribble is an ebook creator. Now, this is a cloud-based application. The value of this guys is $47, and you get access this for free without any additional cost. Right, that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, is Avatar Builder. Now, this is a cloud-based application as well. That's gonna allow you guys to create advanced 3D animation, and you can also sell this kind of services to your own marketplace or to other marketplaces, right? Now, if you don't know what is this, let me show you guys the power of Avatar Builder. All right, let me take you to the Avatar Builder website. Alright guys, so this right here is Avatar Builder, and just like I said, you'd be able to create like an advanced 3D animation. Alright, you'd be able to create just like the video that you're seeing on the screen right now. You'd be able to create this kind of animation with this cloud-based application. And the just like I said, guys, you get access to all audios and all upsells into this product. That means, guys, you get all the features into this product, and the value of the total features into this product, guys, is like almost $1,000, and you get access to that for free as my bonus number two, right? Bonus number three, guys, is Chatterpal. Now, if you don't know what is Chatterpal, is basically it's a web application. It's gonna allow you guys to create chatbot, and you can also create 3D uh, chat agent. Let me show you what is Chatterpal. Alright guys, so this is Chatterpal, guys. With this application, we'd be able to create like um chatbot into any kind of website, and you can install this one right here. So like click on this one, and this is gonna appear, and then your visitors into your website can interact into this chatbot right here, and they can this 3D animated talking 3D avatar will interact with your visitors into your website or to your client's website. All right. Hey, my name is Laura. I am one of the many interact. Right. So you would basically create that easily with this application right here as my bonus number three. Right. That is my bonus number three. Bonus number four is Syndio. Now this is an email marketing software. With this application, guys, you'll never have to pay for your email marketing software or autoresponder, because I'm gonna give you access for free without any additional monthly payment or any additional cost. Bonus number five, guys, is I'm gonna show you guys my YouTube ranking optimization strategy. Now, this is the exact method, guys, that I use to get my videos eyeballs each and every day. And I am not just creating product reviews. I'm also creating video tutorial, guys, and in money making niche that I'm gonna show you exactly the process of my YouTube ranking strategy. That way you can also implement this into your let me show you guys my um my studio right here, so you can see that I am actually I know exactly what I am, talking about. I can show exactly how to optimize and get your videos eyeballs into YouTube. That way, when you guys create your own content, you can also, get your videos eyeballs. So let me take a look at my content right here. So this is a this video is like yesterday. I'm gonna click on analytics right here, so you can see that this video is, really optimized. So this one right here now, I got one subscribers, and this is not from my subscribers, guys. This came from mostly from YouTube search. See this one right here. Now I only got like, a small percentage from my subscribers, but mainly these views is came from YouTube search. See this one right here, YouTube search, that one right there. And as you can see, guys, I got like, one subscribers, and videos keeps on getting views each and every day. Just that's just one of the example. I have, multiple other videos as well that are getting. See this one right here, this one is like 2 days ago, and this one is like, let me take a look at the analytics right here. All right, so the reach for this video, guys, is again YouTube search and browse feature, and the audience right here, guys, is like, I got 4 subscribers, and the overview right here. Now this video, let me show you this. All right, this video is like getting eyeballs each and every day. See this one, see the power of this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. That way you can also use this method and implement this method into your, content. All right, so that is my bonus number 5. All right, so yeah, those are all of my bonuses. When you guys choose to pick up Market Prime through the link down in the description of this video. And also, guys, I forgot to add in my last bonus, which is a one-on-one live session. So if you wanted to hop in a call, you wanted to ask questions regarding with, affiliate marketing, then I can also, do that. We can also hop in a one-on-one live session. You can ask anything you want if you wanted to do that, because I really wanted to help you guys out. All right, so those are all of my bonuses when you guys choose to pick up Market Prime through the link down in the description of this video. All right, guys, so when you guys click that link, this will take you to the sales page that looks something like this. And again, guys, you can create your own freelance marketplace like Fiverr, or freelancer.com, or Upwork.com. And these are, some of the features of this application, guys. You can really take advantage of this, and you can sell your own products or services without any restrictions into your own marketplace. And or you can also invite other people to, to sell their services into your marketplace, right? So powerful tool. All right, so they have some testimonials right here. All right, just, read information of the sales page and have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. All right, now I'm gonna play a demo video. And by the way, guys, there's also some bonuses right here that you can get access as well. Bonus number 1, you get access to logo jam. Now with this application, you'll be able to create unlimited, logos and icons in any kind of niche. You get access as well to this Signa jam. Allows you to create images, vector graphics within a cloud-based dashboard. And then you get access as well to 100 plus email marketing emails. You get access as well to 80% discount on all upgrades, and agency license is included. All right, and you are protected by a 30 days money back guarantee, and this also comes with 30 reseller license. All right, so it's through no brainer deal. All right, guys. So just try it out, guys. If you don't like the product, you can just refund your money, and you still be able to get access to all of my bonuses. And by the way, guys, this document is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. After your purchase of MarketPrime, you get instant access to this document in the back end after your purchase of MarketPrime. All right. So I'm gonna play this demo video, guys. That way you can see the power of this and how this works. All right. And I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye.